Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to convert the Crux35 HD to the cinewhoop. First of all, the cinewhoop should have a good quality camera. For this set I recommend to use the DJI Action 2 because nowadays it is a very cheap camera. Keep in mind that the magnetic mount from the DJI is not the best solution because it's heavy, the weight of the part is around 23 grams. In addition, it doesn't protect the camera. I recommend to use a 3D printed TPU mount. It will secure your camera and the weight of the mount is only around 30 grams. There is a space for ND filter from TBS, so it is very handy. You can download the STL file from the Thingiverse. I will put the link under the video. Okay, let's start with the camera mount assembly. It's very simple, you need to use 4 zip ties. The good cinewhoop should have propeller guards as well. Propeller guards avoid walls damage when you fly indoors and also help when you fly at a forest where are many branches. Here you can see 3D printed propeller guards. I have printed this out using PLA. As you can see, the weight is only 13 grams. You need 4 zip ties to mount them. You can download the STL file from the Thingiverse as well. Now you can put in the ND filter and the camera. Most of the time I'm using the ND4 from TBS. As you can see, the total weight is around 180 grams. If your goal is to achieve total weight under 250 grams, I mean with the battery pack, then you should use 550 mAh pack. I don't care about the weight because the flight time is more important for me. I'm using 850 mAh battery pack. In that case, my flight time is around 9 minutes. So, how does it fly? In my opinion, damn good. You can fly freestyle without any problem. Enjoy the test video and see you next time.